I'm making Scottish tablet, and all the ingredients you'll need are coming up on the screen. It's really simple, not using the oven but a microwave, and you're going to have tons of sugary treats at the end of it. So into a microwave safe bowl, I've used a Pyrex one, put all the ingredients, couldn't be simpler. Give them a little dry stir and then it goes into the microwave. You're going to cook it in the microwave for a total of 9 minutes, but every 2 minutes you're going to stop the microwave and give it a stir. It's important to understand that you're going to be boiling sugar that's really hot and potentially dangerous. Please take care and pay attention to what you're doing. Now once it's had its 9 minutes in the microwave, you can pour it into your prepared tin. A lined baking tray. Smooth it off. And quite quickly it begins to cool down and set. So when you're ready, score it, don't cut it, and then leave it to cool right down. And once it's done that, it's time to cut it, present it, and get on with eating it. Thank you if you subscribed. New videos coming soon.